Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So, in the last lesson we made some updates to the player punch right script, and now we have to apply these updates to the other scripts, the punch left, low and high kick. So, let's begin in player punch right, and we're going to copy the two variables we created. So let's just paste those in. Let's have a look. We'll just get rid of that one, our old one that we had in place. So player, we'll change that to left punch. And let's go ahead and actually put those into the kick scripts as well. And then we'll change what needs to be changed. So player, and this is the high kick script, so let's change that in the comments. And finally for the low kick, and now we'll come back to the punch right. We'll copy the function from the void start, assign current player right punch damage. And again, we'll just go through and paste this into all the scripts to begin with. And we'll come back to the left punch, so let's just change that. We'll copy and paste that into the comments, and we'll create the void while we're here. And now we'll come back and do the two kick scripts. So again, we'll just copy that, we'll paste it into the comments, and we'll paste again in a moment when we create the function. And finally for the high kick damage, and again we'll create the last void for this function. And let's just save there a moment. So let's have a look at what needs to be changed. So it's the head stroke, and we'll begin in the punch left script. Let's just cut and paste these if blocks first. That will make everything nice and tidy. So now we'll come back to the head struct function here. So obviously the first line's fine. And it's this line we want to copy. Let's paste that in. So we'll change that to opponent left punch damage, and current value type again to left punch damage. So let's just change those out in the comments also. So with the if blocks, let's copy this second line. We'll paste that in. And obviously this just needs to be left punch damage. And again here, left punch. Sorry, just left punch damage value, not the other variable. So let's just paste that in, and we need to go through and make sure that we change out the comments and just get rid of that last close bracket. I actually think, yeah, the comments should be, yeah, the comments are fine. And the very last one. And let's just save there. And now we'll come to the head stroke. Again, let's just copy that line. Or in fact, let's move out these if blocks to begin with. So let's just cut and paste those if blocks in the kick scripts. So let's do that. We'll make everything nice and tidy for us. Now we'll come back and copy that line. And we'll paste that in. And we might as well, while we're here, we'll paste that into the high kick also. And then we'll just come back to the low kick. And we'll change that naming convention. And we'll change that here as well. Again, remembering to change them in the comments also. But let's come and do the high kick as well. Low kick, did we change that? No. Oh, sorry, yeah, it's high kick. So let's change that in the comments, and again we can just come back. Let's come back to the actual player left punch. Let's copy the second line again of one of these if blocks, and we'll paste that in. Again, change out to low kick this time. We'll paste that in, and then we can just get rid of that last close bracket, and we'll go ahead and we'll just copy and paste that into all the others. Just get rid of the closed bracket. And just a few more to go now. And of course, once we've done all of these, as I said, we'll be reusing some of this code. So we can actually get the opponent starting to damage the player also. And the game will really then, I think, begin to take shape. Because even though it still needs a lot of work, the AI, at least you can then actually begin to have a proper fight within the game. So, and we'll be getting onto that functionality in the next set of lessons. So and we're nearly there with this again. So one last one for the high kick. And we'll save all that off there. We'll leave it here for this lesson, and we'll pick this up in the very next video. So as always, hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye for now.